Hello Nokomis neighbors, Nate Lansing here. Happy June, happy beginning of summer. School is nearly out. We have a string of 80-degree days here this week. The sun is shining, so maybe summer is actually going to happen this year in Minnesota. It's looking good so far this beginning of June, so let's hope that continues. Well, quite a bit happened in the month of May in the Nokomis area for the housing market. So let's take a look at the numbers and see what's going on in the area. In the month of May, there were 118 new listings to hit the market, up quite a bit from where we were in April at 91. That's a significant number because that is the most amount of new listings that's hit the market in a single month, basically in the past 3 years. So maybe we're starting to see a little bit of this inventory crunch that's been going on really for the past 3 years. Maybe we're starting to see that ease a little bit. We're seeing a lot more houses hit the market. Buyers have more stuff to look at. But significantly, there are only 41 current active listings in the Nokomis area, which is only up 4 from where we were this time in May. So a lot of that new inventory that hit the market, we saw 118 hit the market, a lot of that inventory already got snatched up. So buyer demand is still really strong, and we're still seeing houses sell extremely quickly. Where it's really affecting the market is we're seeing it in that lower price range, anything that would be considered a starter home, up to the 300 range, even peaking up into the 350s. That stuff is just flying off the market. You get over that, things are slowing down a little, but not very much. So it's great that we're seeing new listings, but they're still flying. They're still selling really quickly. So pending were up from last month. We're at 85. Closed sales were up to 75 from 65. The median price for the Nokomis area for the month of May set a new record again. Prices continue to rise. $279,950. So that's up from $278,500, I think. Not a huge jump, but the price trend continues to climb. Over the past couple of years, and we keep hitting new records. So days on market up a tiny bit. It was 13 days last month. It's 15 days this month. Really, that could be attributed to basically there's just more houses on the market. Month supply, that ticked up as well. Month supply, if you remember, if you watched any of these videos before, is you take the total number of active listings on the market with the total number of sales. It tells you basically how quickly everything would sell out if there were no new listings. So anything below 2 is considered a pretty strong seller's market. Above that gets into a more normal market, and then above 4 or so, then we're looking at a buyer's market. So we're at 1.2, still a really strong seller's market. I've been telling folks that it's a great time to sell your house if you're considering it. Earlier in the year is better, so we may enter a little bit of a summer slowdown as we get to people going on summer vacation, that kind of thing. So if you're thinking about getting your house on the market, now's a good time to do so. Buyers, good news for you is that rates are still really low. We're starting to see more stuff hit the market, so you're having some more choices. So that's good news. Good news for buyers. Once again, if you have any questions about what's going on in the housing market in the Nokomis area, please feel free to give me a call or shoot me an email or text me or whatever. I'd be happy to help in any way that I can. Once again, thanks for watching, and if there's anything I can do to help out, please let me know. And I hope to see everyone around the neighborhood. Have a great summer.